So, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Ako lang tayo i-ask kung unsa ang mga issues or problems nga imuhang na-encounter while using this laptop.
Actually, is kanugay na akong gamit kanina laptop sa akong performing arts. Ini-open na ako sa iya open na ako is dali kay siya mugit ang iyang kanang kuan yang dali kay siya mugit. Then second one is ang mag-loading kaayo siya o mag-open kong apps.
Restart first as it can fix some computer issues or problems. Pag on og balik sa laptop, kusog kay ang CPU fan. I check system performance in Task Manager to determine which apps or applications that causes overheating and lag issues. Disable unnecessary startup apps to reduce RAM and CPU usage. Check storage health and available space. Optimize performance settings. Adjust for best performance. Set plugged in and on battery to best performance. It is under power mode. Run Windows Security Quick Scan to detect malware or suspicious files that may slow down the laptop. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scan now. After completion, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These two mentioned commands is used to repair corrupted Windows system files and improve system stability and performance. Update Windows and drivers to improve system stability and performance. To manually update drivers, just follow what is shown in this video. Click Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B to refresh the graphics driver, which can help fix lag issues. Run ipconfig-flushdns in command prompt to refresh network DNS cache. Repeatedly click F2 key to enter the BIOS mode. We configured the BIOS mode and enabled Optimus under display mode, which can reduce heat and lag issues. Now, save and exit. Fortunately, after system performance diagnosis and full optimization, the result is there is no lag issues anymore, and the CPU, GPU, and system temperature becomes low. For system security hardening, we first enable security protection like firewall, reputation-based protection, core isolation, and etc. Second, we check for Windows Update. Run Security Quick Scan. We type appwiz.cpl in command prompt to see suspicious programs. We change the PIN or password to improve account security. We restarted the laptop to apply security changes. First, sign in an account in Dropbox. Second, create organized folders. Copied important files into Dropbox folder. Wait for sync to finish. Green check mark means successfully backed up. Verified backup by right-click the file, click Properties, check file sizes, check if the file size of the original file matches the copied file. Open files directly from Dropbox folder to verify. Open files directly from Dropbox official website to verify. For restoration, copy a file from Dropbox folder to a local storage. For restoration, download a file in Dropbox folder on its official website. So, good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, may I know your name?
Okay, ako guys, John Lee Mararon, isip ko sa staff din sa tourism office. In behalf ni Sir Patrick, kay Algarve sa mong senior tourism officer.
So, on behalf ni Sir Patrick, ito lang sa akong interview ng karon kay since busy man siya. So, akong pangutana is, unsa may issues or problems na inyong na-experience ani nga laptop?
Well, ako may kuha na ni nga, kani nga computer, ang ako na kay dili na siya mo on.
We connect all hardware components and cables to the proper ports, including PSU power connection to enable system startup. Then plug power cable into PSU and wall outlet. Turn PSU switch on. Press PC power button. Then system boots up. We access BIOS setup, check if all sections are properly set, enabled network stack, enabled stack driver support, then save changes and exited BIOS. We check system performance to monitor CPU, RAM, and disk usage. We deleted unnecessary temporary files. We correct date and time to improve update and network synchronization. To repair system files, we run sfc/scannow and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health in command prompt and run it as administrator. We run ipconfig/flushdns to flush DNS cache. We click Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B to refresh graphics driver. Lastly, restarted system to apply changes. All of the service offered are complex, but the most complex one is the system performance diagnosis and full optimization because it takes a lot of time.